Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Drawing from its surrounding context, Campbell Parade Penthouse is reimagined as a robust and textural place of calm, filled with an effortless lightness. Akin Atelier overlays a newly worked floor plan to allow for visual connections internally and to views beyond, while increasing the sense of flow. Elevated at the top of an existing building in Bondi Beach, Campbell Parade Penthouse is idyllically situated with generous views to the surrounding coast, yet its previous planning felt disconnected and aloof. In developing a more meaningful connection to place, the reworked home is stripped back and opened up to reflect a contemporary occupation where rooms flow into one another and allow a connected series of spaces to act as extensions of one another. Instilling an overarching lightness was key, both in the binding of the home to its location and also in increasing the overall internal volume. Akin Atelier combines warm and textural elements with a unique curation, creating a home of lasting and personalized appeal.